A very good morning, dear students. So here is question 4 of exercise 8.1. Question 4 is, show that diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So given is, solution is, given is we have a square and we have to show that diagonals of a square are equal. First thing to show, first is diagonals of a square are equal. This is the first thing that we have to show. Second thing is they are bisecting each other at right angles. They are bisecting at right angles. We have to show these two things. So first of all, recall the definition of square. What is a square? Square is a parallelogram with all four sides equal and each angle is of 90 degree. So square, I am writing the definition. It is a parallelogram with all four sides equal, all sides equal, and each angle is 90 degree. Now I am drawing the figure for square. It is A, B, C, D. Now given is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. This is given, and if square is a parallelogram and opposite angles of parallelogram are equal, it means if one angle is of 90 degree, then all other angles will also be automatically 90 degree. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D 90 degree. This is also given. Now what do we have to show? We have to show diagonals are equal. So let I am joining AC. This is the first diagonal, and second is BD. I am joining these two lines. Now AC and BD, we have to show these two lines are equal. How? First of all, see, if I am taking this triangle ABC and second triangle as BAD, in triangle ABC, first triangle, and second triangle is BAD, we have to show that AC is equal to BD. So first I am taking triangle ABC and second is BAD. In triangle ABC, in this triangle AB, similarly in this triangle BAD, AB, this is first side, common. Okay. Second thing is in triangle ABC, this complete angle is of 90 degree, that is angle ABC is equal to, in this triangle BAD, this complete angle, that is angle BAD is of 90 degree. Both are of 90 degree. And in this triangle ABC, BC is equal to, in this triangle BAD, AD. Why? Because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, or you can say it is a square. It means all of the four sides are equal. So you will write BC is equal to AD. All four sides of square. Now, which rule will be applied here? Side angle side, or you can say side angle side. So by SAS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. And if these two triangles are congruent, it means their corresponding parts will be equal. It means AC will be equal to BD. So it implies AC is equal to BD by CP CT. And what are AC and BD? AC and BD are the diagonals of a square. So first part is prove that diagonals of a square are equal. Now second part, what do we have to show? We have to show, I am rubbing this part, and we have to show that they are bisecting at right angles. So first of all, we have to show that they are bisecting each other, and then we have to show that they are bisecting at right angles. So this is a square, this is the intersection point O. Now we have to show OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB. Okay, now if I take these two triangles, okay, if I am taking these two triangles, this triangle is triangle AOD, in triangle AOD, and second triangle is this BOC, or you can say COB, triangle COB. These two triangles, what do we have? First of all, see, in triangle AOD, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because they are alternate interior angle and AD is parallel to BC. So you will write angle ADO is equal to angle CBO. Okay. Similarly, one angle is given, then AD is equal to BC. This is alternate interior angle. This is all sides are equal. And third condition is angle side. Then this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because this line is parallel to this line and AC is a transversal line. So you will write angle DAO will be equal to angle BCO, alternate interior angle. Now, angle side angle or angle side angle. So, by ASA rule, triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COB. And if these two triangles are congruent, it means their corresponding parts are equal. That means AO will be equal to CO. AO will be equal to CO. Okay, very good. And OD is equal to OB. And yes, reason will be by CPCT. And if these two conditions are proved, it means diagonals are bisecting each other. So we are done with half part of second part, that they are bisecting. Now we have to show that they are bisecting at right angles. What do you mean by this line? It means we have to show this angle is of 90 degree, this angle is of 90 degree, this angle is of 90 degree, and this angle is of 90 degree. Now if these two angles are equal, what is the logic behind this? If these two angles are equal, then these two angles are making a linear pair, and linear pair is of 180 degree. And if these two angles are equal, it means one angle will be of 90 degree. This is the logic. Now, first of all, we have to prove that these two angles are equal. It means we have to take these two triangles. And if these two triangles are congruent, it means their corresponding parts will be equal. So, first I am taking triangle AOD, in triangle AOD, and second triangle is COD. First of all, AO is equal to CO, that we have proved, and OD is equal to OD, which is common. Okay. And AD is equal to CD. Why? Sides of square. So, by triple S congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. And if these two triangles are congruent, it means their corresponding parts will be equal. It means angle AOD will be equal to angle COD. After this step, what will you write? These two angles are equal, but angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree, and reason will be linear pair. So in place of COD, I am writing angle AOD. So AOD plus AOD means twice of AOD is equal to 180 degree. It means angle AOD will be equal to 90 degree. And if AOD is equal to 90 degree, it means COD will be 90 degree. And these two are vertically opposite angle. If this is 90, it means this angle will be 90 degree. And if this is 90, it means this angle will be 90 degree. So we have proved two things. First, diagonals are equal by showing two triangles as congruent, and second is they are bisecting and they are bisecting at right angles. So this is question 4 of exercise 4.8.1.